chatting with the management then. We have Rajesh Kumar, the Joint Managing Director of Salzer Electronics, who joins us. Remember, they posted a set of numbers. Hi, Mr. Kumar. Thanks so much, sir, for joining in. Your margins have come down to around that 9.5% in the past quarter. What is the outlook for the margins going ahead, and what can be your export contribution for the coming fiscal? Can we see some growth? Could you give us some guidance on that front in terms of a top line?
First coming to the margins, I think the margins have been steady, but overall as a company, you see lower margin percentages is mainly because of the revenue mix from various segments of products that we are into. Mainly the industrial switchgear gives us 14 to 15% EBITDA margins, and the wire and cable gives us at a lower EBITDA margin. So on a blended basis, you see lower margin compared to last quarter is because the wire and cable has contributed much more in this quarter compared to last quarter. And going forward, we definitely see improvements in margin because we have been working hard to get higher business share from our higher margin businesses like the switchgears and the building segment products.
So give us some guidance, sir. Give us some guidance. What kind of a revenue growth can we do in this year? I think you have a new facility as well that came on stream, I think, towards the end of last year. So what kind of a revenue growth can we see? And will margins be stable at these levels, 9.5%, 10%?
Yes, margins are definitely going to be stable. And we see a revenue growth of a minimum 20% going forward this year.
Can you first, sir, break up the revenue contribution that you get from the three segments, industrial switchgears, building products, as well as wires and cables, and how might it change in the coming 2 to 3 years?
This full year performance, if you look at the industrial switchgear has contributed 41% of the total revenues.
Right.
And the wire and cable has contributed 50%.
Yeah.
51%. And building segment 7%, and energy management the rest.
Correct.
And we see that going forward, the industrial switchgear and the wire and cable contributing approximately 45% each, and the balance by the building segment and the energy management business.
Okay, so wires and cables contribution will come down from 50% to 40%, 45%, while industrial switchgear will go up from 41% to 45%.
Yeah, traditionally the wire and cable has been at around 40 to 45%.
Okay.
However, this year we have seen a very robust growth in wire and cable at 30% year on year. And so that's why the contribution of wire and cable has jumped, pulling down the blended margins a little bit.
All right, Mr. Kumar. Now, I just want to ask you one final question. You're sounding so confident. Your promoter holdings only around 28%. Has that increased? What's happening over there? Were there some warrants that were outstanding?
I think all the warrants have been subscribed to, and I think currently the promoters hold close to 30%. Yeah, I think promoters definitely have some idea of increasing the stake. That's been already informed earlier.
Thank you, sir, for joining in. So that's the word from Salzer.